you like to have access to all of my videos and worksheets, click on the link listed in this video description to access my shared Google Drive. Help my channel grow by subscribing to my channel, click on the bell and the like to receive notifications each time I upload new videos. Spanish definite and indefinite articles. Click on the video description to download a copy of the study guide and worksheets. Right on that page in your study guide where they ask you about indefinite and definite articles. An article indicates an unspecified or an identified noun. So for example, if I say un perro, right? If I say un perro is a dog. So that's just a dog. I'm not saying a specific dog, just un perro. So use un, which in English will be a, for masculine and singular nouns. Use una, which also means a in English, for feminine and singular nouns. So again, like manzana is an apple, so I would have to say una instead of un manzana because it ends in a, so is feminine. Use unos, which means some, and unas also means some. So use unos for masculine and plural nouns. So like if I say unos perros, some dogs, right? Unos perros, that's indefinite. Like I don't know the exact number, it's just unos perros, some dogs. And then again, you would do the same, but you would say unas if the noun is feminine. So unas manzanas, some apples. Unas because manzanas is ends in a and is las manzanas. So unas manzanas. So basically that's what indefinite articles are. So indefinite articles in English are a and some. So in English you just have two, in Spanish you have four because one is for feminine and one is for masculine, but it's pretty much the same concept. So now let's talk about definite articles. So definite articles indicates a specific or identified noun. So that one you'd know for a fact what you're talking about and what you're referring to. So again, there are four in Spanish. So we have el or la, which both of them means the. El is for a masculine singular noun. So like if you say ¿Dónde está el cuaderno? The el cuaderno would be the in English, and el it would be because it's el cuaderno, it's a masculine, cuaderno is masculine and the article is el. And then use la for a feminine singular noun. So if you say ¿Quién tiene la mochila? Right? So who has the mochila? So again, you would use la if you're referring to a noun that is feminine. So la mochila is the backpack, and you would say la. And then you have the definite articles for the plural feminine and plural masculine. So los and las, which is the. So in this case, in English, you only have one definite article, which is the, and in Spanish you got four. But in Spanish, again, it has to agree with gender and number. So then using the same example of cuaderno, if I want to say ¿Dónde están los cuadernos? I would have to say los and put an S in cuadernos. Where are the notebooks? And ¿Quién tiene las mochilas? Again, I have to put an S at mochilas and it's las. Okay, so please know that when preceded by the preposition a or de in Spanish, the masculine singular definite article changes. So the preposition and article blend into one word. For example, a, el become al, and de plus el becomes del. So you will see that in Spanish a lot, that we don't say del, we just say del or al. And then unlike English, the definite articles is used in Spanish to indicate the general sense of a noun. So for example, in Spanish, we would say, ¿Te gusta el pollo? But in English, you would say you like chicken. You wouldn't say you like that chicken unless it's like a specific type of chicken. But if it's something general in Spanish, we use the definite article. So, ¿te gusta el pollo? Okay, so now in here I have this exercise that you have in your worksheet, in your study guide, where it says fill in the blank with the correct definite article. So you have libro. So libro is singular and it's masculine, so I have to go with el. You have cuaderno, singular, masculine, so el cuaderno. Mochilas is plural and is feminine, so I have to go with las mochilas. The same with los hombres. La mujer, so mujer is woman, so is la mujer. Mujer is feminine, singular, so I have to go with la. La nación, it is we say la nación, so that's one of those words that you might think it might be el because it kind of ends in n. But that word right there is feminine and is singular, so you would say la nación, the nation. La clase, los chicos, the boys. El mercado, the market. Las muchachas, the girls, the young girls, las muchachas. So that's what that means when it's asking you to fill in the blank with the correct definite article. Okay, and we have now in here, it says fill in the blank with the indefinite article. So it gives you a list of words and you have to use the indefinite article. So remember, the indefinite articles are un, una, unos, o unas. Some, which in English would be a or some. So we have carpetas, pluma, bolígrafos, diccionario, televisión. So let's see what goes there. So we will be unas carpetas, some binders, una pluma, one feather or one, in some countries pluma means pen. So una pluma, but pluma also means feather. So una pluma, unos bolígrafos, which is pens, bolígrafos, so some pens, un diccionario, a dictionary, una televisión, a TV, una cama, one bed, una computadora, one computer, unos zapatos, some shoes, unas puertas, some doors, un teléfono, one telephone. Okay, so that is the indefinite article. So make sure you pause the video and you make some notes about definite articles that are la, el, la, los, and las, and indefinite article, which is una, un, unos, and unas. Okay, so now in here you have this part in your study guide where you have to put the mixed, right? So in this one they want you to do both definite and indefinite articles. So the friend, F, that means female, so it's la amiga, because in Spanish we have el amigo, which will be a masculine friend, and then la amiga, a female. A policeman is un policía. The girlfriend, la novia. Some children, unos niños. The boyfriend, el novio. The boys, los chicos, or los niños, or los muchachos. So like I explained earlier, there's all those three words mean they mean boys, but remember, niños is more like children. A young woman is una joven, and then a young man is un joven. The family, la familia. A teacher could be un maestro or una maestra if it's a female, or you can say un profesor or una profesora. Okay, so that's what that means. Muchas gracias. Ciao.